We are diving into a topic that affects each and every one of us: fire alarm systems. These systems are more than just fixtures on the walls, they are lifelines in emergencies. So, let's take some time to understand why they are so essential and how we can ensure they work effectively to keep us safe. Introduction. Imagine this scenario: a fire breaks out in our workplace. Without a fire alarm system, we might not even realize the danger until it's too late. But with these systems in place, we have a crucial early warning that can save lives, protect our buildings, and preserve important assets and documents. Purpose of fire alarm systems. Fire alarm systems are our first line of defense against fires and other emergencies. They detect smoke and heat, alerting us with audible and visible alarms to evacuate safely. Additionally, they help prevent the spread of fire by controlling doors and notifying authorities for prompt action. Types of fire alarms. There are four main types of alarms. Conventional fire alarm systems. These systems are like the backbone of fire safety, with interconnected detectors and sounder circuits divided into zones for efficient monitoring. Addressable fire alarm systems. These systems provide precise identification of alarms by assigning specific addresses to each detector, allowing for quick response and troubleshooting. Intelligent fire alarm systems. These advanced systems provide detailed information about the nature of alarms, faults, or maintenance needs, enhancing overall safety and efficiency. Wireless fire alarm systems. Offering flexibility and simplicity, these systems utilize secure radio communications for connectivity without the need for wires or cables. Maintenance of alarms. 5 key steps for fire alarm maintenance. To ensure our fire alarm systems function properly, we must conduct regular maintenance. This includes testing and calibrating sensors, simulating inputs, setting sensitivity levels, coordinating with fire departments, and checking battery health. Conclusion. Fire alarm systems are critical for our safety in the workplace. By understanding their purpose, types, and maintenance procedures, we can contribute to a safer environment for ourselves and our colleagues. Let's remain proactive in caring for our fire alarm systems, as they are our first line of defense in times of emergency. Thank you.
This is all about today's topic. Thanks for watching Funny EHS Info. And don't forget to subscribe our channel to get immediate notification of our videos. Share our videos to your friends and colleagues to create safety awareness. If you have any questions and requirements, please comment in comment box.